Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. My name is Sean Paul from Tyler Jones. Today we are here with the Matrice 400. Today we're going to be test flying it. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, some little features about the Matrice 400. As you can see, this is the LiDAR L3 Zenmuse LiDAR. With this you can do up to different payloads, etc., like camera, I believe a speaker, and as well as a LiDAR as well. As you can see, it is kind of small compared to the other drones. The width is about 30 inches and the height is about 19. With that, we cannot forget about the weight of the drone. I believe the weight of the drone by itself is 20, but once you add a payload and the battery itself, it jumps up to around 25 pounds. As you can see, the arms is some type of screw mechanism. It's not no locky handle. Same as the landing gears, some type of screw mechanism. And as you can see, there's only 2 sets of propellers for each arm. Alright guys, again, don't forget, different missions, different payloads. We are using the LiDAR Zenmuse L3, but right now I am going to be doing some type of map/route for this LiDAR setup. So we are going to be clicking routes, and we're going to be creating a new one. And let's do, like you can say, there's different routes like waypoint, patrol route, area route, and linear route, and etc. But we're going to be doing area route. And then for this one, all you have to do is we are going to be, let's go from, we'll do right here. We'll do another stretch from here. And we'll do another one from right here, and then we're going to do another one right here. As you can see, it'll tell you that you cannot do that. So what we're going to do, I'm going to fix this real quick. And as you can see how easy it is to just move these pots around with that. Oops, we're going to hit delete. I don't want that. But once you are done creating your map, you're just going to hit this, and then as you can see, there's going to be another pop-up, which is all the information for your drone. We are using Matrice, we are using the L3, we're going to do LiDAR mapping, and there's also other settings to this. The return home, the normal sample rate, we are going to be using 3 feet the highest, scanning mode, photo resolution. As you can see, there's different ones, there's 6K and 12K. I believe there's a feature where it will automatically do the one that's best for the mission, so we're just going to leave it at 12K for now, and then we are going to hit OK. And as you can see, there's going to be more settings into this on the mapping and all that. Just for now, just a test flight, we are just going to get this up in there, but you can go make sure, I would say, IMU calibration is on, so it can make sure you get the most accurate point. We also have the RTK3 as well as our base station right now, but we do have that for more precise positioning. As you can see, it can mess with your speed, and you can mess to your course angle as well. We are going to put this at 30, I would say, roughly right now. With that, you can hit advanced settings, and there's even more settings to this. As you can see, your takeoff and all that, but we don't have to mess with that too much. Like I said guys, you can always name your route, so we're going to do test flight for now. Hit save. Alright guys, some things I forgot to mention for the drone. As you can see, you have your FPV mode as well as your LiDAR mode as well. We can also forget a few things from the drone itself. Oh, exit out of here, and then we click on routes, and then we also have our settings. And our settings, I forgot to mention that this Matrice 400 can go up to 4,000 feet up in the air, roughly at 5,000 feet up in the air, but we are going to be setting this to 500. Oh, you know what, let's go down to 300. As you can see, the mapping does change on the map, especially when it comes to routes. It'll go back and forth. Also, in this setting, which is going to be the cone shape, which is going to be right here, it also does a different cone shape and angles. Once you have everything saved and ready to go, all we're going to do is hit the little play button. It's going to pop up with a pre-flight check, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and all you're going to do is hit next. And then as you can see, mapping checklist and all that, you can go through it. We're going to go through, return to home, perfect, all that, perfect, test flight, and then you can hit upload flight mission. And it's going to upload, and then all you're going to do is hit start.
Moving to start point. Home point updated. Taking off.
All right, it's coming back.
Return to home.
Touchdown. Alright guys, that was the LiDAR task mission. As you can see, I'll do a little data sheet of how the LiDAR was mapping and whatnot. With that information, you can use that for your computer and then you can do your general map and all that, what you're trying to look for. But right now, we are going to the manual mode and we'll get this up in the air as soon as possible. With this one, all you have to do is make sure you're in the right setting. There is S mode and T mode. We are going to go on the normal mode. And with that, all you have to do is just get up in there. It's the same as any other DJI product. You can go down and inside. As you see, the motors will kick on. And with that,
Taking off.
you get up in there. With that, guys, you can use this drone as any other drone when it comes to in the manual mode. Look for any type of search and rescue. You know, if you want to map out to a specific area, you can go to that specific area. For this one, we are going to go to this little pond area. And as you can see, it is pretty fast. The Matrice 400 is pretty fast. It is about 25 meters a second, or roughly about 56 miles an hour. But with that, the same as anything, you can look, camera. With this one, we can use the LiDAR, as you can see, and swivel around to see what we're mapping out exactly. We can pivot up, down, and when there's also another mode, it's going to be this. So you can map out your specific area you would like, basically. And with that, you can go basically map out your area. And as you see, this is the map we already basically mission for. When it comes to the speed and all that, it goes a little faster, but with the LiDAR and the payload right now, as you see, we're reaching about 33, 35, 36 miles per hour right now. So it gets pretty up there in speed, but I'm pretty sure without the payload, you can go much faster. You know, when it comes to LiDAR and mapping, you do want to be going a fixed speed and making sure you are covering as much as the LiDAR as you can. With that, guys, we are going to be returning home. Alright guys, that was the Matrice 400 test flight video. As you can see in this video, we did go over the LiDAR as well as the manual mode for this. Probably in our future videos, we'll go over a little more in detail on how to export the data and all that whatnot. But again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.